Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to Newswatch 12 midday. We're just tracking a few light showers on the map this midday. You can see some along the coast and inland, not really seeing that much at all. We'll go ahead and put the rest of today in motion with Stormcast. You can see a little bit more on the map at dinner time, and then by the time we get to midnight, it's going to be pretty widespread. But then after that, trending drier. Could have a few sprinkles left on the map by Tuesday morning, but then by lunchtime should be pretty dry, even a decent amount of sunshine out there. But then here comes more clouds and that next storm system arriving pretty close to midnight on Tuesday as we transition into Wednesday, and this will bring some likely rain chances into Wednesday. Here's some of the rainfall totals we're expecting through Tuesday morning. Could have maybe upwards of an inch for the coast and the Cascades, the Illinois Valley, so Cave Junction and Selma and O'Brien and Grants Pass could get a decent amount of rainfall as well, but definitely a lot less for the Rogue Valley, the rest of the Rogue Valley, I should say, for the Shasta Valley and to the east of the Cascades. Snow levels are going to be way up there for this storm system, at least for this time of the year, as they'll be between 5,000 to 6,500 feet. So we could have anywhere between 3 to 6 inches of snow for a Cascade passes, maybe a trace to a couple inches for some of our east side passes, but not a whole lot for Siskiyou County and essentially nothing for Jackson, Josephine, and Curry counties. So for today, we'll have temperatures that'll be about 5 degrees above average for this time of the year. It's going to mean low to middle 40s to the east of the Cascades, 40s and 50s for our west side valleys, and middle 50s along the coast in Curry County. Winds will gust out of the south and southwest, upwards of 20 miles per hour for the coast and for the Cascades, but elsewhere, wind should be pretty light. And then for tonight, we'll see temperatures that'll be below freezing to the east of the Cascades. So this is where you would want to protect the outdoor pets, plants, and plumbing. Also, there could be a little light glazing of ice on some of these roadways out here. Maybe the same thing could apply to the Shasta Valley, but definitely too warm for that within the Rogue Valley and along the coast in Curry County. Of course, we'll be much drier into Tuesday, but then here comes that next wave of rain into Wednesday, drier for Thursday, but then another storm system for Friday and Saturday. And we're watching that one very closely because this one could bring some very heavy rainfall to the coast. Also, snow levels are going to be way up there with this one. I mean, way up there, between 8,000 to 9,000 feet. So that means we could have water falling on top of existing snowpack. We could see some rapid melting of the snowpack, and maybe some excess runoff, some localized flooding. So we'll be watching for that potential very closely on Friday and Saturday. And the reason why snow levels are going to be so high is because temperatures will be above average, very mild for this time of the year by about 10 degrees above average, I should say. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. Rain and thunderstorms likely for today. The same thing with Wednesday and into Friday and Saturday as well. For Siskiyou County, we'll have a chance of showers for today and then a mixture of sun and clouds, and will be dry for Tuesday. It's really going to be the same thing for the Klamath Basin. Chance for showers on Monday, pretty dry and partly cloudy skies for Tuesday. For the mountains, we could maybe get 4 to 6 inches of snow up towards Crater Lake through Tuesday night. So not really the worst travel impacts we've ever seen on our Cascade passes. And then for the Rogue Valley, showers likely for today, especially after lunchtime, but then looking much drier and still pretty mild for Tuesday.
All right, honestly, I mean, I think the only thing you can say right now is it could be worse.
It could be much worse. Remember a week and a half back, we had road closures and chain requirements and winds and power outages, and I think I'm cool with some mild rain.
Yeah, mild temps, mild rain, I'm okay with it too.
Yes.
I think majority of people can agree.
Yes.
All right, thanks Josh.
Of course.
Appreciate it.